Folks, still warm, still relatively humid across the valley tonight. These are the current readings. Everybody in the 70s right now. Cool spots are Raymondville and Harlingen at 71. McAllen still at 77 degrees at this hour. If we look at our lows tonight, we're not going down much more from where we are. We're going to bottom out in the low 70s. And then tomorrow, the high is just going to depend on what time that front gets here. We've actually taken them down just a notch or two because the earlier arrival looks more and more likely. But still the lower valley, certainly into the 80s until the front gets there. Close to 80 every place else. Front pushes through, temperatures begin to drop. Now the normal high this time of year is 83. We're going 80 tomorrow and falling in the afternoon. Only 59 on Thursday and only 70 on Friday because this front does mean business. Now satellite and radar, nothing going on overhead right now, but if you watch Future Track, here we go. Clouds come in overnight. By the time you get to tomorrow morning, the front's going to be knocking on the door. It's going to be just to the north of us, and we'll push through, I'm going to say around noon, give or take a couple of hours, and push on through the valley, and behind it, showers develop, mostly light stuff, light rain, drizzle, that kind of stuff that you remember from winters past. We're just messy kind of out there. And the rain may thicken up a little bit overnight tomorrow night into early Thursday as an upper disturbance goes by. And then the rain tapers off, but the clouds stick around on Thursday with just a little leftover mist. But it's going to be a thick gray overcast on Thursday. Temperatures are not going to go much of anywhere all day. Rain chances 30% tomorrow. Really goes up overnight tomorrow night, then comes back down to 40% on Thursday. If we had a Wednesday night in here, we'd be up at about 60%. And then we come back down after that. But really the next 7 days, rain's in the forecast each of those days, at least in some degree. Front just went through Pleasanton a little while ago. You know where that is, just south of San Antonio. It's dropped to 61 in San Antonio. They've caught up with Austin. Front went through there this afternoon. 46 in Abilene, 52 in Dallas. Chilly air on the move, and look at all the clouds behind that front. The upper air disturbance working with it, pushing the front into the valley by midday or so tomorrow. Behind it, clouds, likely some showers as well, and certainly a turn toward cooler weather, especially for Thursday. Thursday just again looks gray, dark gray with a little light rain and drizzle around the area. Friday, the clouds aren't going anywhere, and there's probably going to be a few sprinkles around on Friday as well. I think even Saturday and Sunday, the clouds will be with us, and we might see a couple of showers then as well. If you're traveling, let's take a look to the north of the valley. In the morning, in the 50s in San Antonio, 40s in Dallas, 30s north of that. And notice the state doesn't warm up. It's still 49 in Dallas tomorrow afternoon, 54 in San Antonio tomorrow afternoon. So for us, for tonight, skies are still mainly, Dina's just all grins. You got to take a picture of Dina here. 71 for tonight, mainly clear and mild. Tomorrow, we start warm, but then we cool off. Turns breezy and cooler in the afternoon. A high of 80, but then temperatures fall behind the front by tomorrow evening in the 60s and by Thursday morning in the 50s, where we will stay all day Thursday with no sunshine. I mean, it'll be up there, but you won't see it. Those clouds are going to be thick. Same thing goes for Friday, and still a lot of clouds even over the weekend. Maybe the sun breaks out a little bit, but I think clouds are going to dominate the next 2 days at least, and maybe beyond that as well. So all grins over here.
You know, I'm
excited about
loving this forecast.
You're ready for the change.
Cold temperatures, some rain. Great weather for some caldos.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Looking forward to it all.
All that. And this is really the first really good push of cold air that's going to come with clouds and some drizzle of the fall. So you'll feel it tomorrow. You'll notice the change, I promise.
All right. Sounds good. Thanks, Tim.